if you've got one of these DR Kinetic log splitters, you've probably experienced getting into gnarly wood and having that ram jam, and then the belt start squealing and smoking, and if you're on the other side, it's really tough to get over to the kill switch on the engine down here and shut it off. So what I ended up doing was got this emergency stop button off of Amazon for like $10 or $15, and then just wired that in and around down underneath there, tied it in parallel with this on-off switch here. So I'll demo it for you. That way you can reach it from either side and hopefully save your belt. Good luck. Thanks for watching.